Wait, where's the other one? The other one's up there.
The other one right there.
Yeah.
They eat that fast? Dang.
This is what they do. This one trying to come out the house. We can tell. We can tell. This one came out.
Whoa.
See, look, what's that?
Yeah. Those are sleepy.
Wish those would come out.
What's
He's playing hide and seek. He's making my hair stand up.
this?
Birds.
Oh, the bird.
He's so pretty. I didn't even see these at the bottom.
What's another
I want
bird?
these right here. Leopard.
I hate snakes.
Me too.
I don't like them.
Oh, that? I'm getting taller. Last time when I came here, everything was up here. You couldn't see it.
Look at you. At least you can still grow. I'm done. I can't see up there. You like snakes, Jemiah?
Yeah, she can't see this. She like this.
I'm short, what you expect?
That's like what?
Oh, Miss Control, they're up. Well, one of them, they're big.
They come out?
They're waking up. It's only one that's right here. They're waking up now. They're huge. Are they rats? Ew.
Why is there so many in there?
I don't even know.
I wish they'd come out.
They need to. If they run out, I'm running. That one, he's fast.
Oh yeah, it's in his house. I see it.
Yeah. Oh, they got 3 of these. These little, whatever you call them.
Fancy mouse too. They're
Oh,
the same
mouse?
thing. They're just smaller.
Oh,
No.
yeah.
We have that one. We have these at home. Dwarf ones.
They're so tiny.
Yeah.
He's spinning the wheel on the opposite, on the wrong side. Let me see, guys.
Is anybody, do you need me to take some? Or are they good already?
This one, it ran fast.
This one came out. This one came out. Okay,
This one's fast.
It's fast?
Yeah.
Have y'all chosen an animal? What animal will you guys choose?
Oh, no.
The gerbil? So you already have the gerbil, so you just have to